Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how I assemble my rolled paper flowers. So I've got my template cut out, and I'm just going to start curling it, just using my fingers like this, so that the fibres in the paper start to soften, and this will give the flower a much cleaner, smoother finish. Now to roll my flowers, I like to use a lollipop stick. A thin one like this is perfect as it leaves a lovely curved centre to the flowers. So starting at the outer edge, I start to roll the paper, keeping it nice and tight. And once it's taking shape, I remove the stick and continue rolling it, just holding it between my fingers until I get to the other end. And the cardstock I'm using is 216 GSM. I find that perfect for making these flowers as it just keeps its shape nicely. Now here's where I start to release the tension a little bit. Not too much in the centre, just enough to give the flower a nice natural shape. I then add hot glue to the rolled parts like this, making sure that each layer is covered. You can also add a bit to the centre to make it extra secure. Just be careful here if you're using hot glue. You can also use a tacky glue or quick drying glue. Now before the glue dries, I like to just quickly arrange the centre of the flower using my fine point tweezers to give it a nice tighter curl. Then once it's dry, I curl the outer petals out like this, just to open the flower up and to create a nice natural looking shape. And there's the flower finished. This was a 7-inch template that I used. I just wrote it in the centre there to remind me. Just going back to another of my designs, if you have a template like this where the petals are quite wide, I just like to curl each individual petal with a lollipop stick or a bone folder, and that will create a nice curve to the petals and stop them looking flat. I then assemble it in exactly the same way, using the lollipop stick. So I hope this tutorial helped, and if you want a handy guide showing how to size your flower templates, then just check out my blog as I've got all the details there.